Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would be talking about how can you create logo for your website or for your YouTube or for any of the social media platforms which is available for free. You don't need to be an expert at creating a logo. All that you need to do is just utilize the built-in functions or the built-in templates that are already existing in these tools, and please do watch until the end of this video to know how can you create the best possible logo in just 5 minutes. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the tool that I'm talking about is Canva, which I'm sure you know is one of my favorite online application, where you have different templates that are available and you can make use of to create any form of logo or Instagram post or a Facebook post according to the right specification as well. If you haven't checked my previous video where I have explained the interface of Canva in detail, then please make sure to watch this video and you would be able to understand the interface really well. And if you have already seen that video, so let's dive into my desktop to show you how I create my logo in Canva. Yeah. So if you scroll down over here, you would see this logo section. Click on that and you would see the different kind of built-in logo that you already have here, which you can select and slightly modify and make use of. Okay, so imagine I want to select this just as an example, and imagine I want to change the color to this one, might be. Okay, let me get into the element section. Now I definitely don't want this object over here, so let me delete it. And imagine I'm doing this for a photography kind of logo. Okay, so what I can do is just browse for camera, see if you have any of the camera objects that are available for free and that would resonate with you, right? So I think I liked this specific one, so let me include that into the picture. Okay, so now if you see that it's kind of like a camouflage, right? So what I can do is go to element section again and include a shape. Okay, I will tell you what I'm trying to do over here and change the shape image to white. Okay, now if you see here, let me enlarge it because I want it to be fitting right in the center. Okay, imagine this one. Now if you see that all the write-up and the image that we just included is hiding behind, right? All that you need to do is right click and send backward. Okay, if you do that, you see the pictures are coming up. And if you want the text to come forward, bring forward. Okay, because the text is in white, I think it's not visible. If you do that, there you go. Yeah, so click on the A and change it to this one. Okay, now considering that I would want to write it as Mama Shanoy and might be just add a tagline, for example, photography made easier. And now what I can do is reduce the size just so that it looks good enough. And in case if you don't like the font or size of the text, you have different options that you can choose from. These are the ones which are paid one, but the ones which are available for free are still good enough that you can still make use of. Okay, yeah, that's about it. So just drag and position your objects to make sure it looks realistic. And in case imagine I want it to be here or might be just fit in right here. Okay, let me keep it here itself. Yeah, there you go. Did you see that within 5 minutes we are done with the sample logo through Canva, right? And it's totally free. All that you need to do is just go over here and download a PNG format and just download it on your system. Yeah, how easy is that, right? I hope you liked this video, and in case if you really liked it, please do show that support on my Instagram profile, and do tag me, and I would be happy to see those coming in. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, see you soon.